your first step to online income. Affiliate marketing is a way to make money online. Think of it like this. You help a company sell its products. When someone buys a product because of your help, you get a small payment. This payment is called a commission. You do not need to create your own products. You also do not need to worry about shipping or customer service for those products. This makes it easier for beginners to get started. Many people around the world use affiliate marketing. Why is affiliate marketing good for beginners? One big reason is that it costs very little to start. You can often begin with just a website or a social media page. Another reason is flexibility. You can work from anywhere. You can also work at any time you want. This is great if you have another job or studies. You are promoting products that are already made and trusted by others. This means you don't have to convince people about a brand new, unknown item. There are a few key people involved in affiliate marketing. First, there is the merchant. This is the company that creates and sells the product. Second, there is you, the affiliate. You are the one who promotes the product. Third, there is the customer. The customer is the person who buys the product. Sometimes there are also affiliate networks. These are companies that help connect merchants and affiliates. So how does affiliate marketing actually work? It is a simple process. First, you join an affiliate program. This program is offered by a company or a merchant. Once you join, they give you a special link. This link is unique to you. This special link is how the company knows that a customer came from you. You will use this link when you tell people about the product. You might put it on your blog, in an email, or on your social media page. When a person reads your content, they might get interested. If they click on your special affiliate link, something happens. A small file, called a cookie, is placed on their computer. This cookie has information. It remembers that you sent the customer to the merchant's website. If the customer buys something from the merchant's site while the cookie is active, you get credit for that sale. After the customer clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn money. The merchant sees that the sale came through your special link. They then pay you a commission. The commission is usually a percentage of the sale price. Different products and programs offer different commission rates. Let's look at some real-world examples. This will help you see how affiliate marketing works. Imagine a food blogger. This blogger writes amazing recipes. They also review kitchen gadgets. In their review of a new blender, they talk about its features. They share how it helps make great smoothies. At the end of the review, they say, "You can buy this blender here." The word "here" is a special affiliate link. If a reader clicks that link and buys the blender from Amazon, the blogger earns a commission. Another example is a YouTuber who reviews technology. Maybe they review new software or video games. They create a detailed video. They show how the software works. They explain its good points and bad points. In the video description, they often include a special link. Sometimes they even get a special discount code from the company for their viewers. When viewers use that link or code to buy the software, the YouTuber earns money. Think about travel influencers on Instagram or a travel blog. They share beautiful photos of places they visit. They write about their experiences at different hotels or tours. In their posts or blog articles, they might include links to booking websites. Section 4. Your quick start. A step-by-step guide to begin affiliate marketing. Ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Here is a simple step-by-step guide. The first step is very important. Choose your niche. A niche is a specific topic or area you will focus on. For example, your niche could be vegan cooking for beginners, learning Spanish, or eco-friendly pet products. It is best to choose a niche that you are passionate about, or choose something you know a lot about. This makes creating content easier and more enjoyable. A good niche helps you attract the right audience who are interested in specific products. The second step is to find affiliate programs. Once you have your niche, look for companies that sell products or services in that niche. Many companies have affiliate programs. You can often find a link to their affiliate program in the footer of their website. It might say, affiliates or partners. You can also join large affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or ClickBank. These networks have thousands of products from different companies. Look for products that are good quality and relevant to your chosen niche. Check their commission rates and payment terms. Step 3 is to create content. This is how you will promote the affiliate products. Content can be many things. Section 5. Essential tools and smart strategies. To do well in affiliate marketing, you need some tools and strategies. Let's talk about tools first. A website or blog is often very helpful. You can use website builders like WordPress. WordPress is popular and has many useful plugins. You will also need tools for search engine optimization, or SEO. SEO helps people find your content on Google. Tools like Ubersuggest or Google Keyword Planner can help you find keywords people search for. An email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit is also great. It helps you collect emails and talk to your audience directly. Now let's look at some smart strategies. The most important strategy is to create high-quality content. Your content must be useful, informative, or entertaining for your audience. Don't just copy information from other places. Add your own unique perspective and insights. Understand what your audience needs and wants. What problems are they trying to solve? What questions do they have? Your content should provide answers and solutions. This will make them see you as a helpful resource, and they will come back for more. Another good strategy is to diversify your affiliate partners. This means you should not rely on just one affiliate program or one merchant. Section 6. Oops, common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Many beginners make similar mistakes when starting affiliate marketing. Knowing these can help you avoid them. One common mistake is promoting too many products, especially unrelated ones. It might seem like more products mean more chances to earn, but this can confuse your audience. They might not see you as an expert in anything specific. It can also make your website or social media feed look spammy. It's better to choose a few good products that fit your niche well. Focus on promoting them effectively. Another big mistake is choosing the wrong niche. Some beginners pick a niche only because they think it will make a lot of money. They might not have any interest or knowledge in that area. This makes creating good content very difficult and boring. If you're not passionate, your audience will notice. It is much better to choose a niche you genuinely like. Your enthusiasm will show in your content. This will attract an engaged audience, and you will enjoy the process much more, which helps with consistency. Not disclosing your affiliate links is a serious mistake. Some beginners try to hide the fact that they are using affiliate links. They think people won't click if they know, but this is wrong. Hiding it can break trust with your audience. It can also get you into legal trouble. Section 7. Making money and growing your affiliate future. So, how much money can you actually make with affiliate marketing? The truth is, it varies a lot. Some affiliates make a few dollars a month, others make thousands or even much more. Your earning potential depends on several things. It depends on your niche. Some niches have more expensive products or higher commission rates. It depends on the amount of traffic you get to your content. More visitors mean more chances for clicks and sales. It also depends on how well your content converts visitors into buyers. One way to grow your affiliate income is to scale your content production. The more high-quality content you create, the more opportunities you have. More blog posts, more videos, or more social media updates can attract more people. This can lead to more clicks on your affiliate links. But remember, quality is more important than quantity. Each piece of content should provide value. Think about different types of content too. You can write reviews, tutorials, comparison posts, or case studies. Variety can keep your audience engaged. Building an email list is another powerful strategy for growth. When people visit your website, offer them something valuable in exchange for their email address. This could be a free ebook, a checklist, or a newsletter subscription. Ready to dive in? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and unlock your potential. The future is yours to create. Like, share, and subscribe for more.